How did Shakira walk in Counter Strike 2? Due to a game update, Counter Strike 2 players can no longer perform a Michael Jackson peak, but instead, they must go and perform a Shakira booty dance. So that's the new thing here in Counter Strike 2. So, how are you going to do this one? So, the maneuver has been termed the Shakira booty dance since it made gamers think of Shakira's performance in the 2006 video Hips Don't Lie. So, it's very easy. All you have to do is just simply hold any key, for example, W, and the player character sways back and forth when the keys A and D are repeatedly pressed on the keyboard. So, for example, you want to press W, you just have to hold that and then press A and D. Okay, so in that way, the character will sways back and forth. And that's how you do this Shakira walk in Counter Strike 2. So again, press or hold any key, for example, W or whatsoever it is, and then press A and D, or you can just simply press directly the keys A and D to sway back and forth. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.